What it is to you. Welcome back to the channel, ladies and gents. Today's little video, let's go ahead and turn it around for you. This is what we'll be working on. I wish this is what we were working on because these are a lot damn faster. But as you can see, let's go over here to the trunk. Show you guys real quick. I don't have a lift. And if you guys remember the ordeal with the mid-pipe situation, you guys remember how much of a pain in the ass that was. So my good buddy David here is gonna allow us to pull in on the trailer. We're just gonna get up on the lift and then throw these bad boys on, see how they sound. That's all today's video is about. This ain't gonna be a step-by-step, no instructional video or anything. I'll probably just tune in, show you guys where we're at during the process. Other than that, unless something crazy comes up, I probably won't tune in back with you guys until, you know, like I said, we get to a good little point and I can just be like, hey, we're here right now and this is what happened. So MBRP, this is their race exhaust setup. They have like the street setup as well, but I went with the race one just because I was a little afraid that the street one wouldn't be to my liking. And I know I said I like the stock exhaust and I like how tame it is and I don't freaking rattle the neighborhood, but I figured if I was gonna get an exhaust, you might as well get one that's worth a damn. And everyone swears by these exhausts, or not just these, just any like name brand exhaust, about how, oh, they're so good, they're way better than the muffler lead or straight pipes. Well, we're gonna find out. That's 90% of the reason I bought it. That's also 90% of the reason why I didn't roll with a Corsa or a boiler, because I didn't want to spend oodles amount of money just to hear a straight pipe sound. And I know all my boiler and Corsa guys are going to get in my comments all about what sounds way better than the straight pipe, y'all, you don't know what you're talking about, you bought a crap system. They're going to kill me in the comments, I'm sure, but I do not care. This system was, I think, 6 something and 7 something after shipping and taxes and everything like that, so worth it to me. But I'm not gonna lie to you, I really feel like it's just gonna be like as loud as a straight pipe system. Just looking at it, maybe there's something in the X pipe connection they got going on. I think that's where the sound is gonna be is gonna show itself, or where it's gonna change. But other than that, it looks to be pretty straight through, a straight flow system. And I don't know, I'm not convinced, guys. Like I said, I'm not a believer in these full exhaust systems, but this is my first one, and I figured if I was going to be disappointed, might as well be disappointed at $600 spent versus $1,500 or $2,500. Woo! Wait a minute now. Whoa, let's get back over here. Hey, hey, there's some fire. Oh shit! Okay, let's get to it. Smell the race games. Smell it. Smell it. The neighbors love him. He's got a GT500, so surely they love him, right? That's the brother's car, right? Good God almighty. That don't make no sense. Chopping like that. Good golly. All right, Tube U, it's going along smoothly. Got everything in up to here. All I'm saying is I'm glad I didn't try to do this myself, because good God, I would still be trying to get the old stuff off. So update, hopefully when she's finally done. Low key want to start it. All right, so the system is all installed. It's your MBRP 5-inch exhaust tips out both sides. Looking real rowdy like. So yeah, probably gonna sound just as rowdy. I'm low key not prepared for this, but okay. Installation was pretty straightforward. I ain't gonna lie to you. Nothing too crazy. Biggest part was getting everything lined up, and then the second brace underneath the bottom had we just needed to throw some washers in there to bring it down just a smidge so it won't hit the exhaust, but nothing, like I said, nothing too crazy. Other than that, it went as it should have, but I'm just glad it wasn't me by myself. This would be a 2-day job for me by myself. There's just no way. All the tools and crap, no, there's no way. So letting David hop in, he's gonna fire it up, and I'm just a cameraman, so I'm gonna just record. Let you guys hear the first. It should be a cold start because it's been a while, so it's definitely be a cold start. Wow, I'm actually shocked at how tame that is. I was 100% expecting some, I'm actually shocked. That was nowhere near. I was expecting like some Catalyst mid-pipe level type stuff. That isn't terrible at all. That is not terrible. I think this was the right choice. This is not terrible at all. It's got a nice deep grumble to it. Let me shut up and let you guys listen. So you can see we're cruising along. Doesn't sound too much crazier than stock. We're just cruising along. Nothing crazy at all. And I'll get on it over here so you guys can hear what it sounds like when I get on it. Let this car go up a little bit, but just listen to it. Then it goes into the higher gear, the 7 and 8 gear, and you're just cruising along, man. You can have a conversation. There's nothing crazier than stock. So when you get on it, that's when it shines. Woo! 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 All right, back it down, my boy, back it down. Let you guys listen to these D-cells. So if you're looking for a system that doesn't break the bank but is 100% a better sound than muffled lead or just a straight pipe, give him a shot, man. Give him a shot. The only reason I chose the cheapest system, or this isn't even the cheapest one. There's one below this. So there's two sound profiles. There's a street profile and the race profile. This is the race profile. And then there's two choices beyond that. You have the stainless steel choice or the anodized steel choice, which is what I have. And the stainless steel one is the one that comes with the carbon fiber tips. So if you want a lower tone than what I'm rocking, I would go with the street profile system. And then you can choose whether you want stainless steel or anodized steel. And the anodized steel one is going to be cheaper than the stainless steel one. That applies to both sound profiles. Whether you want the loud one like I have or the street one, which is the one below this one. I didn't roll with that one because I felt like that wouldn't have been enough. And hearing this one and driving with this one, I'm glad I didn't, because this is the perfect tone. This is exactly what I was looking for. And I'm pretty happy with it so far. So once again, you don't want to break the bank. MBRP, give them a shot, man. I don't think you would be disappointed. I'm not disappointed. I was honestly surprised, and it's honestly making me a believer in buying a real exhaust system. Now, as far as those higher end ones, I still don't see the worth in those. I'm sorry, I'm just not gonna plunk down $2 grand on a freaking exhaust system. It's just not happening. Just no way. Just no way. I can't justify that. I'm sorry. Just 100% not gonna do it. It's just sound. It's just sound. You're not getting anything special for $2 freaking grand, and I'm just not gonna do it. But for 600 bucks, I figured, what the hell? Let's give it a shot. And it was 600 bucks well spent, or 700, you know, after taxes and all that stuff. So that's all I got. Enough rambling on. I hope I covered everything. And if I didn't, just chime down in the comments or shoot me a message on Instagram. Any questions you may have or anything I might have missed, just let me know over on Instagram or down in the comments, and I'll try to get back to you as fast as possible. But that's all I got for you guys, man. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Until next time, 2View, I'm out. Peace.